Hey everybody, Marcus Crawford, Idaho Sledhead here. Hey, we got our first snow of the season last night in Meridian, Idaho. So I need to get out the four-wheeler and blade off the driveway. So what I thought I would do is get some pictures of it. So I'm going to put the drone up in the air, put it on time-lapse as we clear the snow off the drive. As you can see, there's my tracks. You know, we got a few inches of snow here, so let's try it out. There's the four-wheeler, and I installed the blade on it a couple of days ago, so that's good. So she's ready to go. So we'll get out there without any further ado, and we'll get a little bit of video of clearing the snow off the drive and hopefully get a good time lapse with the drone. Let's fire this baby up. So yeah, Yamaha Grizzly, it's a Yamaha Grizzly 700, and it'll do the job. Got a winch on the front to use to lift the blade off the ground. Anyway, we'll let it warm up for a second and then we'll get out and start plowing snow. Okay, one of the things that's new on my four-wheeler this year is we installed some hand and thumb warmers. So put the hand warmers on high, thumb warmer on high, and yeah, should have nice and toasty hands. Anyway, let me clear some spot here where I can take off in the drone. Then I'll get the drone up in the air. Okay, everybody, I got the drone fired up here. We're going to put it up in the air, and we're going to put it in hyperlapse mode and see if we can get some pictures of clearing the drive. So let's get it up in the air here. We'll see how that precision landing works on this one. So we'll give it a try here. Looks like it's starting to come down.
I hear it.
Yeah, I had to bring it back up. So precision landing didn't work. It tried to land in the front of the driveway, so I'm going to land it manually here. So for whatever reason there, precision landing didn't work, and I don't know why. The other thing that I noticed is that I didn't have any of the intelligent flight modes, so I'm not sure what happened there, but anyway, I think we got some pretty good video, and we'll take a look at it. I could not do hyperlapse. It wouldn't let me because it wouldn't let me go into intelligent flight modes. But I did take video, and I will speed that video up. Okie dokie, I don't know if you can see this in the light. The drone is somewhat wet. It was snowing the whole time we did it, so I'm going to dry it off now real quick. Put the ATV back in the shed here. I thought it worked pretty good. Got that City Slicker snow blade on the front, and uses the winch to pick it up and down. Got synthetic cable on the winch. I can say this, the thumb and hand warmers got quite hot, and actually got to the point that it was really almost too hot to the touch. But anyway, let's get this thing put away. Okay, I got the ATV put away, and as you can probably see in the background, it's still snowing, so we'll probably have to do this again soon. But I did get the drone up in the air, and I think we got some pretty good footage. I was not able to put it in hyperlapse mode for some reason. I'm not sure why. It might have to do with the new DJI 4 update. So none of the intelligent flight modes were available, so I wasn't able to use any of those. So I just recorded it, and we'll speed up the video in post. And then additionally, we didn't get a good precision landing. It started coming, it would have come down right in my driveway, which would have been fine, but I wanted to see how close it we could get. It didn't work at all. It was way off, so I'm not sure what was up with that. It is about in the low 30s Fahrenheit here, probably, I'm going to say 34, 35 degrees, something like that. Maybe that affected the IMU. I don't know. It hovered fine. Other than that, it seemed to work fine. But anyway, we brought it in, and I landed it in the backyard here close to the landing pad. But anyway, that should be a good video, and we got the driveway clean, although, like I said, it is still snowing, so we'll probably have to do it again tomorrow. Marcus Crawford, Idaho Sledhead, signing out. Thank you for watching.